Yo, everybody, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. All right. Let's get things started, man. Yeah, Israel, the trader, speaking right here. So, you know what it is. So, we are about to do our weekly analysis, guys. So, let's just get started. Yo, everybody, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Yeah, that's good, man. That's good, man. It's a go over crypto market, bro. Come on, everybody. Some people have said, let's go over cryptos and stuff like that, right? So yeah, we'll go over all. So this is just AUD, JPY and stuff like that. I got my Binance account right here. So yeah, I will go over crypto market as well. So I just bought sheep and stuff like that. You can see that I have about 58,492,826 sheep. So yeah, I'm about to ride this to the moon, man. 10 years, 20 years, whatsoever. I'm holding this. So and I don't care even if this sheep went down to $0, which is 0.0000 whatsoever, which means that if it happens that it doesn't have any value anymore, I'm not scared to lose this $453 or whatsoever. Nah, I'm not scared to lose this, man. So invest money that you can afford to lose. That's just the thing. So yeah, we will go over crypto as well, and also we go over currency pairs, indices, indexes, and lots of things like that. So yeah, it's been a long time ever since when last I did this live stream and stuff like that on YouTube, right? So I was kind of busy, guys. That's why I was not able to do any of this live stream and stuff like that. But hopefully I'm back right now and we will start trading. So in today's video or in today's session, I will do some analysis, and also I will tell you what is my opinion regarding some trade and stuff like that that is going to be happening next week. So yeah, so this is ADJPY right now, and you know that ADJPY is one of the trades that we took last week, despite the fact that I was not trading, but I later took this trade, and thank God that it was kind of a profitable trade, right? So yeah, let me send the links and everything to our channel so that they can come up and um, join us as well, right? Okay, guys. So yeah, I just sent the links. Sent the links. So yep. I'm seeing your comments, guys. So I'm trying to check out some stuffs here. Yeah, just a quick reminder: if today is your first time here and you are not yet subscribed to ITT, what are you waiting for, bro? I don't really know what you're waiting for, so you gotta do that right now, right? So you have to subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends and family, and also make sure you give this video a thumbs up, right? So let's get it, man. Let's get it. Yeah, the first thing that we're having right here, Zabir is saying ESAC go over crypto market, bro. All right, I'll try and go that. I'll try and do that. Then Jalene is saying, can you analyze Euro NZD? Yeah, for sure. I will analyze Euro NZD for you, and also I'll go over crypto market, right? But which one of the crypto are you talking about? Is it BTC? Is it Ethereum? Is it Dogecoin? Is it BTT, which is BitTorrent? Is it SHIB, which is the Shiba Inu? Or which crypto are you talking about, to be specific, so that I can just check it out for you, right? So yeah, guys, this is AUDJPY right now. Like I said, if you have any particular pair that you want me to analyze for you, you can just say, hey Israel, can you analyze this pair for me? I will gladly do that, right? Because that's why I'm coming live, in order for me to help you, and so you can figure out what's going on in the market, right? So it is very, very important. Yo, guys, like I said, this is AUDJPY, and AUDJPY, it is one of the trades that we took last week, and you can see that AUDJPY tried to push back up to the upside. It pushed up for, I think, around 50 pips thereabout. So it pushed about 66 pips, and now it's back down for retracement. So no need to panic if you are still in this trade. So it might even come back down to this point before it will still shoot up to the upside, but it's still bullish for now. And also another thing that can still happen is it will just touch this before it will shoot back up to the upside, right? So just monitor this trade and see how far it's going to go, guys. So it is very, very important. So yeah, one of our subscriber is saying we should check Euro NZD, right? He said that we should check Euro NZD. So yeah, I will try and check Euro NZD for him or her. So I don't know if he's a woman or man, right? So it is what it is. Yeah, also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Very, very important. And also share with your friends and family. It do help out a lot, right? So that this channel will reach a lot of new users and stuff like that. It is very, very important. So yeah, let's go and get it, man. Let's go and get it. Yeah, yep. All right, so yeah, let's start with a crypto market. That's the first thing that we are having here, according to what you guys are asking of, right? So that's the first thing, crypto market, right? Then we'll come back down to Euro NZD. So the person said, let's check out for a Bitcoin. So let me go down to Bitcoin and see what's happening on BTC USD, right? So this is Bitcoin right now, and this is 4-hour time frame. And you guys can see that I still have my analysis and everything on Bitcoin 4-hour time frame, right? So I'll get rid of this, but let's see. Okay, so this is Bitcoin right now, daily time frame. You can see that I only have 3 support and resistance on this, and this is 19,000 right here, almost 20,000. But I'm still seeing that I'm supposed to put another support, right? I mean, yeah, support right at that level. Change the color. Say this is daily time frame. So these are at 16,000. Just keep at the back of your mind that this is a daily time frame, right? So you can see that on this daily time frame, I got this trend line that the market has been supporting to the upside and stuff like that. So the market went up for about 63,750 something, you know, almost 64,000, right? That's the highest peak that Bitcoin has ever reached ever since when this crypto market came into existence, right? So now, what am I seeing on Bitcoin? You know, as Israel trader, as you know, swing trader, what am I seeing on Bitcoin right now? As you can see, I still have my analysis, man. I still have my support and resistance trend line and stuff like that. So right now, what I observe is that my trend line got broken and retest on that previous trend line breakout, right? And also, you can see that there is another level that we're supposed to mark out right there. And also, there's another level right here too. I like to mark all of these things out, guys, like this, so that they will give me a clear vision of what's going on in the market and stuff like that. So you see that trend line go broken, retest, boom, push back down to the downside right now, and it's still pushing down to the downside. It's around $34,000 right now. So let me mark this out. I'll mark that level out as well because it is my key level, right? Marked it out. So now, what am I seeing on Bitcoin? You see that Bitcoin now broke out of this, my previous support level again. Boom, retest. Right now, it's trying to consolidate within this range, right? So we might see Bitcoin consolidating right within this range like this, right? We might see consolidating right now. So anything that will make Bitcoin to break out of this level like this to this point, I'm expecting Bitcoin to go down to up to $16,000. So up to 16,000, that's what I'm saying on Bitcoin. So it might go down up to 16,000 before it might either shoot up or continue to go back down to the downside, right? So this is what might happen on Bitcoin. Then boom to this point before it will push back down to the downside, right? So Bitcoin can still reach down to it can even reach down to 10,000, man, because you can never tell once this market decide to push down to the downside. You can never tell what will happen. But according to the analysis right now, Bitcoin can still push down to the 10,000 mark if it breaks out of this, right? If it breaks out of this around price 30,000, yeah. Once Bitcoin break out of this 30,000, then the next target is going to be 19,800. That's the next target. Then if it eventually break out of this 19,800, the next target is 10,000. But before it breaks out of this 19,800, it will first of all come up for this corrective move, or what you refer as retracement, right? Before it will push back down to the downside again. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing on Bitcoin right now. So it is very important for you to monitor this market and see what exactly is happening. So this is not just a financial advisor whatsoever. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a forex trader trying to analyze this chart and give you what exactly is happening on Bitcoin. Because right now I don't have any Bitcoin, man. I don't have no Bitcoin. I only have SHIB, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. So I got SHIB, Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and BitTorrent, and also TRX, which is Tron, and you know, I mean 6 or 7 cryptos right now anyway. And of course, I'm still buying more. I'm still buying more. So that's just it. That's just it. So yeah, it depends on which type of trader you are. You can either continue to buy it or you sell it. But me personally, I told you what exactly is happening on this, right? So it is very important for you to check out what is happening. And like I said earlier on, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to analyze this for you. So you know, you either sell it or keep on holding your trade, right, on this Bitcoin. But me personally, I don't have any Bitcoin right now. I only have Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, BitTorrent, TRX, and also I have yeah, I have TRX, and that's just it. I mean about 5 or 6 cryptos right now. So yo guys, you know, that's it about Bitcoin. So if you have any question regarding this analysis and stuff like that on Bitcoin, you can let me know so I can just clarify your question or you answer your question, right? So yeah, as you do that, if today is the first time here guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends and family and stuff like that, right? So yeah, that's just it. And let's continue with today's analysis and stuff like that if you don't have any question regarding Bitcoin analysis, right? So the next pair that we have right here is Euro NZD. So yeah, I'm following your chart guys so that I'll not miss each and every one questions and currency pair to analyze, or crypto indices whatsoever. Just, you know, write it down in the chat section. I'll be able to see your message and I will read it out, you know, so that I can just check it out for you, right? So yeah, somebody is saying Euro NZD, right? And another person is saying analyze GBP 80, and also somebody is saying Euro NZD, right? I mean Euro USD. So yeah, Catlegor, you are the one that gave us Bitcoin, so I'll not analyze Euro USD for you again because I only need one pair from one single user, right? So yeah, the next pair that we have now is Euro NZD. So let me go down and analyze Euro NZD for you guys so that we can all know what is going to happen on Euro NZD, right? So this is Euro NZD right now, and this is daily time frame. So let me go down to 4-hour time frame. It's as if I did some analysis. on 4-hour time frame earlier on. So yeah, this is 4-hour time frame Euro NZD, and so since this is 4-hour time frame, and you see what exactly is happening on Euro NZD, I see I have my support and resistance. So last time I did this analysis, the market broke out of this trend line, and I said that okay, if the market eventually break out of this level, it's going to continue to push back down to the downside, right? Of course, the market did not break out of this level right here, so that's why you see the market consolidate a bit, and now the market pushed back up to the upside, came back down for retracement again. Right now, still trying to push back up to the upside again, right? So now, if it eventually break out of this structure that we are saying, let me put it right here so that it will be different color, right? Let me put it as yellow so that it will be different color. So whenever time the market break out of this, the next target is going to be around price 1.73389. That will be the final target. So let me just put it 1.73436. I mean 434. That will be the next target, and that's going to be for how many pips is that? Let me check out how many pips is that. From here, it's gonna be around 300 pips. Come on, everybody, that's 300 pips right there. But if is right from this where the market is at the moment, sorry, let me check it out properly, right? It's gonna be around 540 pips. So that's going to be 540 pips. So but before that, make sure that the market break out of this before you consider it here. The market is going to go up to the upside, right? So it has to break out of this structure right here before you can now think of saying, okay, I'm ready to buy this and ride it all the way to the upside, right? So let me put this right here. From here now to this point, I'll put it here. So it's gonna continue to push back up to the upside. Yeah, that's just it, guys. And that's what I'm saying on Euro NZD right now. So this is what is gonna happen, guys. Come up to this level. Sorry, let me change the color to be like that. Then come down for retracement. Boom. Go up for that. How many pips is this gonna be from here? Gonna be 440 pips. So it's gonna go for 440 pips. You can see it right here, guys. That's 440 pips right there. So yeah, that's what I'm saying on Euro NZD. So this is what is gonna happen from here. It's gonna continue to push back up to the upside, like I said, for 400 and let's say 30 pips, something like that. Yeah, let's just leave it at 430 pips. So you'll be risking around 80 pips, right? So this is 1 to 5.4 risk to reward ratio. 1 to 5.4. Come on, everybody. 1 to 5.4 is a great trade opportunity, right? It's a great trade opportunity. So that's why it's very good for you to take note of this. And the reason why I say that, okay, the market is going to go up for that move is that I'm seeing that the market is making a move from here. You see that this is going to be my left shoulder, this is going to be my head, and this is going to be my right shoulder, right? So that's what we refer as inverted head and shoulders, guys. So yeah, just wait for the market to make all of these perfect moves and give you these 4 to 5 signal confirmations or confluences before you now get into the trade and ride it all the way to where the market is gonna go, right? So this is Euro NZD right now, and that's what I'm seeing on Euro NZD. So yeah, like I said earlier on, guys, if today is your first time right here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you like what we are doing right here on ITT or on Israel Trader channel, right? So it is very important for you not to miss out our live stream whenever time we go live on this very channel. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family, because you're not the only person that is needed or that is in need of this information, right? So just share with your friends and family, guys. So yeah, with that out of the way, so if you have any question regarding this Euro NZD analysis, you can ask your question right now before I go down to another pair. And the next pair that we have is GBP AUD, right? So I'll go down and check GBP AUD and see what exactly is happening on GBP AUD right now, guys. So yeah, let's continue with the analysis and stuff like that. And also, if you got any question, guys, you can just let me know. Hey, say, hey Israel, can you just explain this? What is this? Just a question. That's how you learn. That's how we learn. Because we all learn by asking questions, guys. Nobody is perfect on earth. None of us is perfect. No matter how it is, we all have something new to learn. We all have something new to learn, and we should be open to learning new things day in, day out, right? So it is very important, guys. Yeah, so that just Euro NZD. Let me go down to GBP AUD since you guys don't have any question regarding that. So this is GBP AUD for our time frame. Let me go down to daily time frame and see what exactly is going on daily time frame, right? So this is daily time frame right now on GBP AUD. So GBP AUD daily time frame is kind of look great and stuff like that. So yeah, let me go down and be checking it out for you guys, right? It is very important. So yeah, I don't want you guys to miss any of this information because it is very, very important for you to understand how to trade. If it is all about me, I can trade my thing and be up on my account. Even if I'm making 5% of my whole portfolio or my Forex account in a month, 5% is still okay, right? It's still kind of decent. 5% growth, you are just doing it, right? So I don't see. Okay, let me just show you something. So yeah, this is our trade copier account now. This is my trade copier account, and this is only available for my ITT students. So if you are not premium students, you don't have access to this. If you are not a premium student or ITT premium student, you don't have access to this, right? So this is the account right now. You can see I'm up, or we are up 13.99% on this very account. And you can see I just created this account. I mean this strategy account. I started this 13 days ago. 13 days, which means that this is just 2 weeks of me trading on this very account, right? So my initial deposit, I don't know if you guys will be seeing this. Initial deposit, I personally deposited $500, right? That's what I deposited, 500 USD. You can see right here. If you have seen my cursor, you'll be able to see where I'm pointing at right now, right? So you can see it's 500 USD, and the balance right now, which is $569, almost $570 in 13 days, man, which means that 2 weeks of trading on this very account, and I'm up 13.99%, almost 14%, right? You can see at some level I was up almost 15.88%, but so far you are a trader, you know exactly that at times you'll be in negative and at times you'll be in positive and stuff like that. You can see I was down right here to 1.02%, up again 15 point, just up and down like that. But you can see I think there was a time that I had a bad week. So as I had a bad week, you guys can see I was down on this very account about 21.89%. Come on. 21.89%, that's insane, right? But we were able to recover and went up from this negative to 11.05% in profit. So the reason why this went down, I think there was a time that I took a couple of trade. Was it a Euro USD, something like that? I was extremely losing my trade. I lost almost 4 trade that week, because I took about 6 or 7 trade and I lost about 4, so that was insane. So I lost that week, right? So this is the what is it called? This is the real life of trading, guys. Don't just believe somebody saying, okay, yeah, I doubled my account 100% in one day. Don't just focus on that. Don't ever focus on that, guys. Focus on a decent growth, and from there you now develop your skills, right? And as you guys can see that, come on everybody, in these 13 days we are taking 575 pips, 575 pips in profit. Come on everybody. I don't know what you guys are saying this trade, I mean this forex trading and stuff like that. You can see on this very account I'm up 13.99%, and also we are also up in pips, 575 pips in profit in just 13 days. Can you just imagine how many pips are we going to be taking on this very account in 1 month of trading? In 1 month of trading, you can see I can still refresh this. You are seeing my cursor, right? I can still refresh this so that you can know that, yeah, I'm not photoshopping this, so I'm not editing this, right? This is live and direct. Israel the trader speaking. You can see it's refreshing. It will be still the same thing, bro. Come on. I don't do this. Maybe say, yeah, I'm just editing this to get members to my group. Come on, nah, I'm not just trying to do that. If there is any of VIP, premium, or whatsoever members that is here, you can just say, okay, yeah, what Israel is sharing is a lie, this and that. Come on everybody, I don't lie here. So everything that you are seeing right now is a fact, and it is happening right now, man. And this is my live account. You can see it right here. It is live account. I can even share the investors passwords and everything. You check it yourself if you don't believe it, right? If you don't believe me, refreshing this and stuff like that. Oh my goodness. If you know how to trade, you can see I lost about 23 trade. If you can see right here, I lost about 22 trade and I won about 52. You see that? This month, and I started this account 13 days ago, like I said, and this is May. So this is for the month of May. I'm 69% winning. That's my winning rate on this very account. Now you can see it right here, 69.33% win rate. You can see that. And also you can see here winning trade 71.15%. You see that? Come on everybody. Also, I can go down to my FX book account. This is my FX book account for this very for that very trade copy account right now. So you can see that, yeah, it's not only one place. I've connected this. Let me refresh this for a minute so you can understand that it's still not fake server, right? You can see that this is my FX book. My FX book, if I lie to you, or if this C trader account lie to you, my FX book will not lie, right? You can see that it is a real account. You can see right here, I'm highlighting it now. Real USD IC market. This is the leverage I use, 1 to 500. It is a C trader platform, right? I registered on C trader. You can see track record verified. This is track record verified after comparing the data to data coming directly from the broker using an investor password. So you see, it's coming directly from the broker now. And also this is trading privilege verified. Trading privilege verified are verified when the trader opens a pending order with a key provided by my FX book, or the investor password is changed to a password provided by my FX book. So this is it now. This is that very account. You guys can see I'm up 13.98%. It's still same as 13.99%. Same thing that you see right here, right, on this very account. So I'm just trying to compare it so you can understand that, yeah, this is not just me sharing what I don't believe or what is not true or whatever, right? I'm just trying to tell you that, yeah, it's not all about flipping your account to, okay, I flip my $100 account to 1,000 whatsoever amount, man, and tomorrow you might end up blowing that account, right? And also you can see, let me just show you the pip difference. You are seeing the pip difference right here, right? I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but I cannot zoom this out more than this, right? I wanted to zoom it out for you guys, but I cannot zoom it. So you can see that the pip difference this year, you can also, let's say this month, right? This month, you can see it right here. I got about 576 pips, 576 pips on this very account, right? You can see, if I come down here, 575.82, they are just approximating it on my FX book. You see, this month, and also this week, which was last week, I took about 202 pips on this very account as well, right? You can see this week I'm up 5.67% on my account, right? So it is what it is, guys. That's just how we do it. And also this is the monthly analysis. So this is 13.98%. So yeah, enough of this. All I'm trying to say is that at least understand that, okay, it's not all about flipping an account. It's all about how many percent of your account are you able to make every week or every month, right? You can see this account is not up to a month. This is just 13 days ago. That's when I created this account for providing this. And also just remember that I just started this. See, I'm seeing this very account as well as an investment for myself. This is not my main account whatsoever. I'm seeing this as an investment. So I think every month I'm planning to invest about $500 here. I will be depositing $500 every month and see how this very account will grow. If you blow it, I will still tell you what goes wrong or what had gone wrong, right? So that you can know how I blew my account, right? RTT blowing his account, I have to make video about it if eventually I blow this account, right? Of course, it's going to be very, very difficult for me to blow this. But anything can happen at all. Anything can happen. I'm not saying that I can't blow it whatsoever. Anything can happen, but if you follow a very, very good risk management, there's no way you can blow your account. So once more again, let me just rephrase this so you can know that, yeah, it's not it's not me trying to get your attention and tell you what doesn't work in the forex market, right? So yeah, guys, just focus on how many percent of your account you are making. So yeah, me personally, I focus on 10 to 20% growth every month on my account, right? So you can see this is just 13 days and I'm about 13.98%. And not that I don't lose trade. I lost so many trades. You see, 23 of my trade, I lost them. Right here, you can see them. 23 of my trade, I lost them. I took about 75 trade this week, and 23 was a losing trade, and 52 was a winning trade. So that's just how it is. All right, enough of that talk, guys. I think let's go back down. Okay, somebody was saying control plus here. Let me check that out. Control plus. That's why I say learning never ends, man. Learning never ends. So let me check it out so you can see. So you guys can see that. Yeah. Oh yeah, got it, bro. Got it. Thank you very much, man. Yep, this makes sense to me. This makes sense to me now, guys. I think, yep. Now you guys will be able to, but I cannot shift it, man. Cannot control it, like, cannot shift it sideways. How can I shift it sideways? Is there any shortcut for that? Since it's a control plus, it's for the zoom in. Yep, I think this makes sense to me. So yeah, guys, yep. So yeah, you guys can see it now, but I cannot shift it sideways. Yep, that's not possible, right? Yep. So yeah, anyway, you guys can still see that this is the gain for the month, and this is the drawdown I had. 6 point this. That was the drawdown ever I had, right? So yeah, this is growth for the month. This is real account. You can see it right here. USD. My broker IC market as usual. Nah, I don't want to go down to IC market, bro. Yeah, my broker IC market. I used 1 to 500 leverage. I know that this leverage is insane, right? It's insane, but I know that I'm not going to exceed how many percent of my account I'm risking on every trade that I'm getting in, right? So yeah, this is it. C trader, track record verified, everything, and also you see that daily, monthly gain up 13.98%. Updated 8 hours ago, deposit 500. You can see that I didn't withdraw anything from this account, but you can see that it is a real account, which is a live account, right? So as time goes on, remember I said that I'm seeing this as an investment account, not me trying to just maybe flip this account or whatever. No, I'm not trying to flip this account, guys. Somebody's saying, why are you deleting my comments, man? I'm not deleting anything. Come on, bro. I don't delete anything, man. I don't delete nothing. I don't delete nothing, bro. All right. Oh, somebody's saying he is a scammer. People, please be aware of him. Oh my goodness. Yeah, somebody's saying I'm a scammer, guys. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Somebody's saying I'm a scammer. You guys should judge me for that. You guys should judge me for that. I can't say anything. But this is insane, man. Oh my! With all of this data that I'm showing you, come on, bro. You can never tell. No matter how it is, you must still have some hatred. Don't expect don't expect 100% positive feedback or whatsoever. Nah, that's not gonna happen, bro. So I'm still sharing this as somebody is saying that, okay, yeah, I'm still a scammer, even all with all of this. I'm a scammer, I'm this, okay, all right, no problem. But it's kind of like, you know. Well, it is what it is. No matter how it is, people will still lose money, and if you don't believe it, you can never make it. Just be positive and look out for something that works out for you. That's just what I can say. So, if you see me as a scammer, that's what you think. I can't tell you nah or no for that. Let me try and zoom this out as well so you can see it very well. Oh, if I'm zooming this in, it's not giving us what I want, right? You can see all this percentage is getting in and stuff like that. So no need for me to zoom this in and stuff like that. No need to zoom this in, man. All right, so yeah, I think okay, like this. Nope, I'm gonna refresh this, man, so that it will not. Okay, that's my Binance account. So yeah, back to my FX book. So this is my FX book, guys, and that just it. 75 trade, long one 67%, short one 75%. That just it. This is the pips we took. 556 pip this month, all in 13 days or so, right? And this account, like I said, is an investment account for me. So yeah, that's just it for these guys. Let me refresh this again, and let's see what's going on, right? So yeah, that's just it. I cannot say more than this. Let's go back down and continue with analysis. That just it. So yeah, work with percentage, guys. Never just look out for flipping an account. Flipping an account is okay anyway. Flipping an account is okay. I'm not saying that flipping an account is bad or whatever. I'm not saying that. And I will not tell you that flipping an account is bad if you flip your account, right? Nah. I will never tell you that okay, flipping your account is bad. So yeah, this is GBP AUD. So we are back again on GBP USD. So we are back again on GBP USD, guys. So yeah, let me come on, everybody. I'm still laughing regarding somebody that said he is a scammer. People, please be aware of him. Somebody saying, Lord, okay, don't mind this guy. Let's get it. I know it's real. Going 2 years, he is the god. We don't fake things here, bro. If I'm not maybe posting my lifestyle on social media, on this, on that, doesn't mean that somebody is not successful in life. or somebody is not real in life, because that just my lifestyle. If I decide to, okay, yeah, I can just be posting all of these things, but what will it add to your trading career? It will not add anything. Rather than you just like fear, you just be jealous, and that's not the reality of trading, guys. That's not the reality of trading. If you just focus on somebody's lifestyle to say, okay, yeah, to judge somebody out, yeah, this one is real, this one is scammer or whatsoever, don't ever judge somebody by lifestyle. Judge someone by seeing what that person is doing, right? And also test something first before you now conclude that, yeah, this person is real or this person is scam, right? Don't ever just like come up from nowhere and say, okay, yeah, say this, okay, this is a scammer, this is a this. Never. Don't do things like that, guys. So all I'm saying is just be yourself and be positive to yourself first before you now be positive to others out there, right? You can't just be positive to some people out there without you being positive to yourself. Be real with yourself and be positive to yourself first before you can impact some life. If you are not real with your life or with yourself, and you are not positive with yourself, how can you impact some life out there? You can't do that. So all I'm saying is, I'm just saying that, yeah, you can do this if you are just growing your account in percentage value, right? Okay, let me just take for example, if I go down to ftmo.com, I would like to discuss so many things with you guys today, because I'm not going nowhere. We are here discussing this stuff, guys, because you know I've been away for some weeks now, some days, weeks, or whatever. But now we are back, so I have to discuss and continue to discuss with you guys. So I got your time, man. I got your time right here. I got your time, 100%. So starting from next week, this week is gonna be insane, bro. Come on, because I will be right here trading right in my office, going lots of things is gonna happen, man. All right, so this is MTMO right now, and all you have to do to pass this challenge is around, I think, 10% profit, something like that. Yeah, you can see the challenge and everything right here. So I think you can see them, right? You can see the challenge and trading days and stuff like that. This is FTMO challenge. Now this is the step 1. This is 30 days. This is 10 days and stuff like that. So this is minimum trading days, right? 10 days. Trading period, 30 days. So in these 30 days, this is the challenge. What they are expecting of you is that maximum daily loss, $500. Maximum loss, 1,000. Profit target, 1,000. So this is for this $10,000 account, right? If you are going for $10,000, and the fee for that is €155, right? And also this is the challenge section, which means this $500 maximum loss, it is 5% of this account, right? 5% of this 10,000 is $500, right? And 10% of it is $1,000. That's the 10% of this $10,000, right? So you see that they are expecting you to have a growth of 10% every month, or in these 30 days of you trading on this FTMO challenge account, right? They're expecting you to grow, to give them, sorry guys, I'm kind of, okay, all right. So they're expecting you to give them that, sorry, just press stuff like that. Okay. Sorry guys, I've been pressing this, that's why I have to press it back. Yeah, so yeah, you can see that they're expecting you to give them 10% growth every month. So that's what FTMO is expecting you to. Yep. So let me, yep, yeah, so that's just how it is. They're expecting you to give them 10% growth every month, and maximum loss for that month, 10%. If you lose it, you are losing your challenge, right? Then verification step, 60 days, they are giving you 10 days of minimum trading days, 5% maximum loss, 10% this maximum loss and profit target, 5%, right? That's just how it is and stuff like that. So if you're able to maybe have a growth of 10% or more than that every month, that's a very decent growth. That's a very decent growth, man. I'm not just trying to cut from FTMO. So this is out of my trading experience, guys. This is out of my trading experience. And this month so far, I'm up 13% of this. If I stop trading on this account, we are still up 13%, 13.98%, almost 14%, right? Almost 14%. I can just decide to say, yeah, I'm done for the month and I can wait for another month or whatever. But I will still trade on it and see what is going to happen. And this month, so today's 29th of May. So we just have about 2 days left now in order for this month of May to end, right? Of course, if this month of May ends, this data that you are seeing is going to be resetted back to 0.00 and stuff like that. Then it will just record this right here for the month of May. To just record this 13.98% for the month of May, and this is going to be for the month of June, this is going to be for the month of July, and this is going to be for the month of August, right? That's how it's going to go. So if I'm having a negative month, you're going to be seeing it right here. If I'm having a positive month, you're going to be seeing it right here. Anything that is going to be happening. I think this is the account that I'm going to be opening up with you guys. I'm not going to give you my private account or my main account. Say, yeah, this is it. Nah, because I'm not used to that. But this very account, I'm okay to share with you guys because this is a trade copier account for my premium students. That's just it. Alright, so enough of talk, guys. Let me see what you guys are saying in the chat section, right? Somebody saying, don't mind this guy. Yeah, of course, man. Let's get it. I know Israel going 2 years. He is the God. Yeah, thank you very much for that, man. Then somebody says some people are just haters. Yeah, for sure, man. No matter how it is, you must still have some haters out there. So I'm not just, I thank God that some people are criticizing me and saying lots of things, right? I'm grateful for that. So hi, good evening. I'm happy to be here. Yeah, good evening, bro. How are you doing? Hope you are doing good and wonderful. Welcome to ITT. And if today is your first time right here, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video with your friends and family. It is very, very important, guys. Yeah, do that, man, because all of us are going to make money right here. So that's why we are here, and you gotta share this with your friends and family, bro. So yeah, somebody said ITT is incredible. We thank God for that. ITT never disappoints, Just tell them, man. Wow, yeah, wow, great growth here, Israel the Trader. Yeah, thank you very much, man. We are just trying to make things simple, and you can achieve this, bro. You can do it. Hey, that's mine. Okay, to zoom out, control minus here. Figure out that. Please, sir, do you use cut reports? What do you mean by COT? Can you just try and let me know? COT, because I don't know the full meaning of this COT. I use CTrader and my FX book to track my record. Then somebody is saying it will show the percentage, the top window for zooming out and stuff like that. Okay, all right, thank you for that. USD card. Yeah, I'll check USD card as well. Let's get it. Let's go, man. That's correct. That's 100% correct, man. This guy triggered a lot of knowledge in my life. 100% it real, and he is 100% positive. Love you, bro. Love you too, my man. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I thank those who give me negative feedback, and I also thank those who give me positive feedback, right? But I thank those who give me positive feedback the most, not those who give me negative feedback. But I still thank them, because if they don't hate me, they will not come here, right? Because they hate me, that's why they say, okay, let's just check this scammer or whatever as they call me, right? So that's just how it is, Then this is where it's let's just go, man. If you are not here, maybe you are still celebrating Chelsea. Yeah, come on, man. Yeah, Chelsea won, and also I support Chelsea. I support Chelsea, bro. Come on, everybody. I was kind of excited for Chelsea, man. Yeah, we'll beat the hell out of Man City. Yeah. So GBP JPY. Oscar is saying we should check out GBP JPY as well. Yeah, we're trying to check that. But I got no hatred for Man City fans, bro. I don't hate them. I have lots of respect for them. No, I hate them. This is just football. So yeah, I just kind of support Chelsea, but I don't hate Man City. I don't hate them. I like each and every club out there, man. So yeah, let's go down to business, bro. Enough of that. Let's go down to business and continue with what we are supposed to do, right? So this is it. GBP 80 daily time frame. I'll just focus on this level right here. I'll just put my support and resistance right here. Support, this is support. Yep. Wow, let me think. I already put something. Gotta delete this and change the color of this because cannot see what's happening there. Yeah, so like that, this is my support and resistance right now on this daily time frame. I think I'll just focus on these three. Yeah, and also let me just make it 4. I don't care about all of these moves that happen, guys, but I can still see something right there. Let's just make it to be 4 and 5, right? So yeah, I will focus on this move alone, right? I'll focus on this. Let me go down to 4-hour time frame. So this is 4-hour right now, and I said I will just focus on this, right? I'll focus on these moves. So yup. And right now you see that the market is breaking out, right, on this GBP 80. So the market is breaking out of that. Has broken out of this and trying to push back up to the upside. So from here, this is what might happen on this. If it eventually break out of this, if GBP 80 eventually break out of around price 1.84886, the next target is going to be 1.89882. That's going to be the target if it breaks out of this level right here. So you see that level? If it breaks out of that, that's going to be my next target. And it's going to be for how many pips? This is going to be for around 500 pips. That's almost 500 pips, and that's awesome, right? So that's awesome, and that's what I'm saying on GBP 80. And also, there is a trend line, though I did not put my trend line right here because I already know what is happening. That's why I did not even bother to put my trend line, because if you know what you are doing, you can just look at the chart and from there you know what's going on, right? You know what's going on. So you see that by plotting my trend line now, you can see a clear vision of what's going on right here on GBP 80, right? First touch, second touch. Now it will come down for third touch before to push back up to the upside to around price 1.889882. That's going to be the final target, and that's just it on GBP 80. If you have any question, you can let me know on GBP 80. Then the next pair that we have is USD card, right? USD card is the commitment of traders. Yeah, that's just it. It's a weekly market report issued by the Commodity Future Trading Commission, enumerating the holding of traders, right? Yeah, I just use that. What is it called? I just use this. My FX book. My FX book is great, man. It's very, very great, and you can use it to keep the track of your record, monthly, daily, weekly, or whatever. You can keep track of it. All you have to do is you just connect your trading account. You can see that this is my real account, IC Market. You just connect with it and stuff like that. You see, this is Israel Nicodemus. That's my legal name, Israel Nicodemus. Forget about this Israel trader, right? Israel Nicodemus Yakubu. That's the full name of Israel the trader. Because I never use my full name right here, but that's the full name, bro. That's the full name out there. So yeah, that just you can see that at some point I was down 3.52% on this very account. Then from there I took off, went up to 7.74%. From there went up to 10.76. Then I was down again 7.69, 7.78, 7.87, 8.07%, 8.26, 12.37, now back to 13.98. So that's how you grow a decent account, bro. Don't just focus on flipping an account, because you might flip your account today, tomorrow, boom, you blow it, right? I've seen that happen a lot in the forex market, and I've done it before. I did it before. That's why I'm trying to tell you that don't just focus on flipping your account. If you are a new forex trader, forget about all these YouTubers out there posting, okay, I got about $10,000 in profit. I flipped $100 to $10,000. Come on. Well, it is what it is. Everybody got their own trading style, right? I'm not criticizing them, or I'm not telling them what they are doing is wrong, right? I'm not saying that what they are doing is wrong. All I'm saying is know what you are doing in the forex market, and also look out for something that is working for you. Don't just copy somebody saying, yeah, this is, nah, don't try to do that. Even if with my strategy, with ITT strategy, also you have to add to that knowledge that I'm sharing with you. If you just focus on what I'm just sharing or server, you can just end up saying without blowing your cows. Anything can happen. This is forex industry, so anything can happen, bro. So yeah, say I get $10,000 account now, then if I get about 10% of that account, that means I'll be up $1,000. Yeah, 1,000. Yeah, 1,000 for that month or for that week, right? 1,000 is still a decent growth, and maybe my account size is $50,000. If it is 50,000, 10% of that is $5,000. So if you are making $5,000 off of your forex trading account every month, come on, is that not okay? Then in a year, how much are you going to be making in a year? That's going to be almost $60,000. $60,000 off of your trading account. It's still a great trading year, right? It's still a great trading. Of course, there might be a month that you might end up getting more than 10%, and it's still okay. It's still okay, this is the reality of trading, bro. Don't just focus on, see, my heart is just like if you as a forex trader or new forex trader, you are just focused on flipping your $100 account to 1,000, 10, come on. Start building it up gradually. This is a gradual process, not you just trying to be a millionaire overnight. It's not going to happen, guys. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen at all. I know what I'm talking about, but it's not going to happen. So it is very important for you to either trade with a very good risk management, and if you are trading with a very good risk management like I do, because I only risk 1 to 3% of my account size, at maximum 3% on each trade that I'm getting in, right? That I never risk 5. At times I might be crazy and risk 5% anyway, but it's very rare. It's very rare. I don't just risk 5%. But you see some people, they risk the whole equity, the whole 100%. So if the trade is like 50-50, it's either it goes up in your direction or it goes against you, right? So if it goes up in a direction, that means 100% of your equity is gone. You're blowing your account, right? But if you are trading with a very good risk management, if the market goes, say, we are not just up 13% on this account, saying that, okay, we did not lose any trade. Come on. And like I said, I lost 22 trades. 22 trade. Where is it? If you click on this, you can see I lost 23 trade. How many trades were won? 152 out of 75 trade, which represents 69%. Lost 23 out of 75 trade, which represents 31%. You see that I lost 23 trade out of these um 75 trade that I took in that 14 trading days, right? Now, not 14. I think it was 10 trading days, yeah, because we only have 5 days in a week to trade Forex, right? So that just it, guys. You see that I'm not just saying that, okay, I don't lose trade. All my trade are 100% winning. Nah, come on. I don't do that. I lose some trade as well. I do lose some trade, you know. So if I lose trade and say, okay, I risked 100% of my account size now on this trade that I lost, I would have blown this account by now. But with a very good risk management, you see that I'm able to secure almost $70. That represents almost 14% of this $500 account. You see that? That's just it, man. So you have to know how to execute a very good risk management. You can see that win difference. This is the win rate that they gave me. 70% win rate, bro. This year, which is this year now. See, once you connect your account with my FX book, it will keep record of everything, whether negative or positive. It will keep record of everything. Forget the fact that, okay, I'm just this account is just $500. Okay, yeah, Israel, this is just your first month of trading this account, and it's not enough data or server. But this is just the starting point, bro. And that's why the fact that last week I was not even trading. I was not trading because I had some schedules and I was kind of very, very busy. So yeah, I went out there trying to attend to different businesses as well, right? You guys can know that, yeah, I'm into different things, you know. I'm just not trading. But this is what I do for a living, you know. I only trade. I don't do say this nah. Except I have some businesses out there trying to need my attention, right? Then I'll go and attend to them. But this is what I do, right? Like if I don't have anything doing, I'll just be here trading, updating, charting, you know, doing lots of things about forex trading, cryptocurrency trading, stock trading, and stuff like that. Just days ago, you know, I was up 13 point something percent in one day on my stock account, you know, because my knowledge or ITT knowledge doesn't base only on forex trading. You can use it on stock market, you can use it on cryptocurrency, you can use it on indexes, you can use it on indices, you can use it on currency pairs, you know, because I don't use any indicator in the forex market. You see my chart, this is what I use and this is what I do. I don't use any indicator. I'm a price action and naked chart trader, bro. So yeah, I'm just opening up to you guys so that you guys can understand the real aspect of what it means to be a profitable forex trader. Don't just say, yeah, I'll flip this account, I'll do this, I'll do that. Don't just focus on that, bro, because you might end up blowing that account the next day. Of course, I'm not praying for that, but there is a high possibility of you blowing that account. So the thing here is that you just focus on building your portfolio. Focus on building your portfolio. What I mean by that is, say I started with this account with $500 now, then I might keep on, okay, investing $500 every month or whatever. I remember we have some trade copiers. We have about 4 ITT students that are copying this trade, right? You can see the total amount of capital copying this trade is $1,048. $1,048, you know, total amount that is copying this trade right now. So that's just it. And you know, everything goes back. So there's nothing much, guys. There's nothing much. So took about 575 pips. That's who does take 5. I don't. It's not all about me. It's not all about me. And here again, you are seeing 576. So if this C trader database is lying, my Facebook is not gonna lie to you, right? That's just it. All right, enough of that. So what are you guys saying now? Let me go down and check it out. Somebody is saying, yeah, okay, USD card. I will check USD card. Let me check USD card right now so that I'll see what is happening on USD card. Yeah, USD card last week when I checked it, I wanted to get in for a sell because I saw a sell. Yeah, I knew this. Come on, everybody. I think this was where 15th of April thereabout. This was where I checked this. You can still see this right here, right? I started analyzing this trade right here, and I saw this sell happening, but I did not get in because I was very busy, and I didn't have my signal confirmations. That's why I left it, and we will have taken about 460 pips. Come on, everybody, 460 pips. That's what we missed on USD card, but it is what it is. You know, there's always another time or next time in the forex market. I don't panic when I lose or when I miss some trade like this. I don't panic. All I do is go back down, chill, do my analysis again, wait for 4 to 5 signal confirmations, get in. I do take 1 to 3 trade in a day. 1 to 2, yeah, 1 to 3 trade in a day, and I can stake on those trade, not me taking another trade or giving out another signal. So you can ask my premium students and VIP students, they know that, because I only take 1, 2, or 3 trade in a day. So if I might decide to take 1 and leave it, I might decide to take 2 if I like what is happening. And at maximum of 3, right? If I just take 3 trade, I don't trade again. If you like, give me 100 signal confirmation. I don't get in, bro. I knew the consequences of this because experience is a great teacher, right? So I know what I'm doing and I know what I'm talking about. So don't just take in lots of trade in a day. That's just it. I only take about 1, at minimum of 1, at maximum of 3 trades in a day. That's just it. Alright, guys. So yeah, according to one of our users that requested for wow, USD card, and you can see USD card is constantly going down to the downside, and I think this will be the target right here for USD card. You see this level? That will be the target. So I'm gonna put this resistance level right here. So that will be the target on USD card right now. Because if you zoom in, you see that I'll use this as my retrace. As my next support level, right? And this is gonna be how many pips? Let me calculate. How many pips is this gonna be? Remember, this is daily time frame, guys. This is gonna be almost 800 pips. So that's going to be the target. Almost 800 pips. Remember, I say I'm a swing trader. If I analyze this chart now, okay, say my next target is gonna be around 800 pips now, I would definitely take this trade and wait for what is gonna happen, guys. I might decide to trade into a day trade or day trade within this area. Not me just, okay, I got it now, leave the trade until it hit this 800 pips. Now I might decide to intraday trade. What I mean by that is I'll just maybe look out for swing high or swing lows and take maybe 100 pips or 200 pips within this 800 pips move, right? But I will still be holding the trade on one of my swing trade account, right? I have swing trade account and I have intraday trade account and stuff like that. So that's just how it should be, guys. That's just how it should be. So you have to just, do what you think is the best, man. But I can only tell you what I do, and what you're supposed to do as a forex trader. Just forget about all these people that say, yeah, you drive Lamborghini in 1 month of trading with me. You just pay so amount of money. Come on, bro. In fact, if you are joining ITT with that mindset, don't ever join us. Never, because you might just end up not making it in time, right? Because we think long term. If you're not thinking long term, don't join ITT. Never. Don't join ITT if you don't think long term. So that's just how it is, bro. if you don't think long term, don't ever think of joining ITT. We think long term right here, man. So yeah, let me put support and resistance again on this USD card. That USD card, I think I'll just work with this support and resistance, right? I'll just work with this on the daily time frame. Yeah, so these are the support and resistance that I'm going to be working with on this daily time frame USD card, right? So that's my daily support and resistance. Then I can decide to put my stop loss. Remember, I said that this is going to be my target. Let me change the color to be yellow so that you can know that, yeah, it is my target point. So that's my target points, and this is my support and resistance levels on the daily time frame, right? So my target is around price 1.12760. That's my target point on USD card right now. That's my target point on USD card, right? So yeah, guys, so yeah, the next thing that I'm supposed to do here is I'm supposed to plot my trend line, right? I'm supposed to plot my trend line. So the trend line is going to be like that, but I'm not going to start it from here because that's not where my support start from. So your trend line follows where your key levels are, right? So I'm going to start from here. You can see that on this daily time frame, down to this point. So this is going to be my daily time frame trend line. I'll leave it that way, right? So you see this now? Come on, everybody. He's going to sell, bro. He is going to sell. It's going to continue to sell. But before I conclude, let me go down to 4-hour time frame, right? So you see, this is the trend line I drew on the daily time frame, and this is 4-hour time frame anyway. So this is 4-hour time frame, and I have to put my support and resistance for this 4-hour time frame. I don't know if this is making sense to you guys, because you have to let me know. If there's any questions at all, you can still let me know, right? So I can understand what exactly you don't understand, right? Oops. So yeah, that's just it, and this is it now on the 4-hour time frame, right? You can see these pink colors, it is my support and resistance on the 4-hour time frame. So right now we might see USD card try to consolidate a little bit, right? Trying to consolidate within this area. As you can see, I'm in a range, because right now you can see that it is a ranging market right here, right? So we might also see a breakout happening to this point. So if it breaks to that point, that's when I'll look out for selling opportunity. I'll look out for selling opportunity. Not that it's going to continue to push back up to the upside. Nah, definitely. Remember, this is a daily trend line. Once the market reaches this level, I will look out for selling opportunity and get in, sell the market, ride it all the way to that my target point, which is around this price, right? And of course, like I said, I will still be intraday trading or day trading or whatsoever. Yeah, that's what can happen as well. So from here to now push back down to the downside. So that's just how it is, guys. You see that? That's just how it is. So it doesn't mean that, okay, if the market breaks out of this now, it's going to continue to push back up to the upside. Now that's not a trend change, except if I see it breaks out of this trend line completely, come up to this level and go back down for retracement again. Let me tell you what I mean. If it eventually break out of the trend line, come up to that point, let me continue to change the colors, then come back here for retracement, then boom, I can decide to buy right here. Then let me change the color so that you can understand that that's where I can decide to buy. So I can decide to buy it from here, buy it and ride it all the way to the upside. But if it comes back here, continue to buy. This is just the possible moves that can happen, guys. And also, it might decide to break out of this. If it breaks out to the downside, then what are you going to wait for? Wait for retracement, boom, before it continue to push down to the downside. You know what I mean? Because once you understand how the market moves, you chill out and wait for the market to give you what you need. Don't just say, yeah, I don't know if the market is going to buy or if the market is going to sell. I don't actually know, but let me just get in. Fear of missing out. That's what we refer as fear of missing out, guys. That's fear of missing out, bro. Right? That's fear of missing out. So, once you know what you're doing, it's very important for you to do your analysis, do lots of things, and things like that, man. So yeah, let me just look out for. Let me just read what you guys are saying now. USD card at the bottom on the weekly already in from last week. Okay, is it? Yeah. But USD card right now, nah. I'm not interested in buying this. I'm not interested in buying this at all. I'm considering the long-term move. This will be the target. If it's here, I can say, okay, yeah, I'm going to push back up and stuff like that. But right now, I'll just be watching USD card. I'll just be watching USD card for Christ's sake. I'm not going to touch anything right here. I'm going to be watching it. If I see that, yeah, it's giving me my signal confirmations, I'll then get in. But remember, always follow your trading plan, right? Always follow your trading plan. That's just it, guys. So yeah, and somebody is saying that USD card at the bottom on the, okay, yeah, I read that. Is it advisable not to withdraw? Nah, come on, man. It's not advisable not to withdraw at all. Like, I'm not saying that I'm not withdrawing. That's just my account. See, I withdrew almost every day from my V75 account because I don't trust that broker. Drive.com, I don't trust them, to be honest with you guys, because there was a time that I had challenge, bro. Very big challenge. My account was almost $50,000 in there. That's how I lost it, bro. I lost that. That's why on my V75 account, which is broker with drive.com or derive.com, something like that. Derive.com, I withdrew almost every day from this, man. I don't care. Even if it's $500, I will draw it. 1,000, I will draw it. So far it's up to 500, I will draw it. That's just how I trade with this broker. I don't care, because experience is a great teacher. So I had some bad experience with this, but now if you withdraw almost every day your profit, you don't have problem with derivative.com. But if you don't withdraw, if you allow it to accumulate, say you're going to withdraw it at once, come on, nobody will process your payments, man. In fact, your account might be blocked. Like, they'll just block your account, and they might restrict you from trading and stuff like that, so that you not be going out there spreading that, yeah, they refuse to give you this and that, right? So it is what it is. I can't even see the money. I can't even see any record. This was way back last year. Yeah, it was last year, 2020. So that was why I kind of stopped trading on derive.com. By then I just resumed it. If you do follow me, those are the times that I stopped trading on drive.com. So it's just now that I resumed trading on this, and now I will do almost every day right here. So withdraw your profit, bro. If your account size is okay, and if it's your main account, withdraw your profit. Always withdraw your profit, like always. I can't stress this much, bro. So that's just it. And let me look out for what you guys is saying. Okay, my goal is 10 a month. Yeah, bro, if you can make 10% of your account size every month, that's very great, and that's a decent growth, and also that's a long-term trade, man. You'll be a long-term trader. All these, maybe Warren Buffett, Charlie, all of these guys that you're seeing, they don't just focus on getting 100% of their account. I'm not just saying, okay, it's because of them or it's because of their teaching us. Now, I'm saying because of the experience I had to. That's the experience I had to. Because, man, we come on, everybody. I can't stress this that much, man. So yeah, get 10%. It's not bad. 10% of your account is not bad. So of course, if you can make it like consistently more than 10%, it's not still bad. I'm not saying that it's bad if you make 100% of your account. Nah, I'm not saying that. All I'm saying is focus on goal risk management. Remember, your goal as a trader is to how do you say it in English, man? Is to protect your capital. Always protect your capital. Never, never ever dash your hard-earned money to unknown broker, right? Unknown broker, because you don't know them, right? All you know is their website. That's all you knew. So don't ever give them your hard-earned money. That's just it. And also, thanks, bro. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. You are more than a mentor to me, bro. Thanks. Yeah, thank you very much, man. I really appreciate it. I didn't know. Yep. Is it on one? Is it on one pair you take 1 to 3 trades for a day or on all currency? Any currency, man. Any currency I see. Because I trade everything. I trade any random currency. So far, I like the setup. Give me so far it give me that 45 signal confirmation. You know, I trade it. I trade directly. But if it didn't give me that confirmation, I don't get it. And I don't focus on one pair. If you do follow my trade or my tradings or whatever, if you go down and check my trading history, let's say my on my FX book, I don't know if they will show all of them, profit growth, something like that. They're supposed to show. Okay, I think they are not showing here. Let's go down to this. Okay, yeah, I think you'll be able to see which are the currency pairs that I trade and stuff. You can, yeah, you can see now all symbols and stuff like that. You can see this is Euro USD. You can see volume USD 48.8. So yeah, you can see that I traded 30 out of my 100% trading. I traded Euro USD about 32.75%, right? For this month, I traded Euro USD. Then the next biggest is Euro GBP. You can see Euro GBP. I traded Euro GBP, and let me just zoom in so you guys can see what I'm talking about, right? So you can see that, yeah, you can see that on this month, the next highest I traded is Euro GBP, about 23.09% of it. Then the next one is AUD USD, and I traded about 16.75% of my entire trading this month. And also the next one is other pairs, yeah, which is other pairs for USD. And also the next one is ADJPY. You can see that ADJPY 9.41% and stuff like that. Then the next one is USDJPY, which is 8.10%. So you can see that I almost trade everything apart from indices, US 30, Nasdaq. I haven't traded this for a while now. Since last year, I haven't traded Nasdaq, US 30 and stuff like that, right? Because those are volatile pairs, and I don't want my students to kind of they focus on profit. Because if you are trading gold, US 30, Nasdaq, S&P and stuff like that, now of course they move very fast compared to currency pairs, right? But that's not how they do it. Because if you just trade that means you are focusing on like flipping your account or whatever. And of course, I don't want that to be happening and stuff like that. So that's why you see me, I'm focused on currency pairs. I want to execute a very, very good risk management. You can only do that on currency pairs. You can never do that on Visa Verified. Never. And you can never do that on US 30, Nasdaq, and gold. Never. If your portfolio or if your equity is not that high, right? So that's just how it is, guys. So yeah, I trade almost everything in the market. I don't just focus on one single currency pair. So yeah, that's just it, guys. If today's the first time, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. It is very, very important, guys. So yeah, that's that about USD card. So if you have any question regarding this on a USD card, you can still ask your question before I go down to another pair so that I can analyze it for you too, right? It is very important, guys. So ask your question if you have it. Let me check out what you guys are saying. If there's any other pair, then I'll analyze it, right? So somebody saying long term money, yeah, for sure. Fear of missing out, that's my main issue, man. Low. Okay, yeah. Fear. How you can overcome fear of missing out is by having your signal confirmations. If you have a signal plan, I mean a trading plan, definitely you're supposed to have signal confluences, as I call it, right? So you are supposed to have that. So if you have it, no need for you to say, okay, I'm fearing to get in, or let me get in so that I will not miss out the trade and stuff like that. So once you have your confirmation, you get in without being scared of anything, right? Without being scared of anything. So that's just it. So yeah, guys, we're supposed to check GBP, JPY. That's the last thing that we have, but it is what it is. I think there's no time. I spent how many hours here? I spent 1 hour 26 minutes. 1 hour 26 minutes. It is insane, bro, but it is what it is. That's what I wanted to do for today. And I think tomorrow should go back live and direct. So yeah, and also guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and also join our free Telegram channel if today is the first time right here, right? So you can just go down in the description of this video, go check it out, and follow us on all our social media platforms. Forget about these guys that are creating fake accounts of me. I know maybe that they scam this very person that say, okay, I'm a scammer and stuff like that. Maybe they scammed him, right? So never, my account is just Israel the Trader, and all my links or whatsoever are going to be down in the description of my videos, and also in my free Telegram, free Telegram channel, my Instagram and stuff like that. Never fall for this scam people that are creating fake accounts of me, right? So yeah, never ever fall for them, guys. Just be cautious and stay at Allah. Be alarm always. So know what you are doing. And yeah, I'm still Israel today, guys, and I'm signing out. So tomorrow be back live and direct with you guys again before Monday. Now start trading as usual, right? So Israel Trader speaking, and I'm signing out, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace out to you. Good night, good day, and I'm signing out, man. Alright, guys. Thank you very much. See you next time.